Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook background. So step 1, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now look for Wallpaper. First, let's check the current one. This is my current MacBook background or wallpaper. And when you select one from here, it will automatically apply. Here you can select between dynamic wallpapers. I think that change from time to time. You can also go with landscape like those. You can go with the city space. I think this one is, and you can also go with, I think this one is, but here just be sure that when you select one, you should give it a little bit of time to fully download to your computer. And this is the download progression bar. You can also go with backgrounds that shuffle every 2 minutes or whatever time you want. Personally, I prefer this shuffle cityscape because it gives me a walk around the world, seeing world cities, big cities like Dubai, New York, with from aerial, which is too good. And after selecting your MacBook background, here if you go with a shuffle option, you can select between the shuffle time, which means rotates through 30 areas continuously every 12 hours and so on. And you can also select between showing this this wallpaper even as a screensaver. And this is how to change your MacBook background. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.